Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for TNPSC exams. First, thoroughly understand the TNPSC syllabus and exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time for each subject. Consistency is key, so stick to your plan. Finally, gather all essential study materials, including previous year question papers, to prepare effectively. This structured approach will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into smart study methods. Focus on conceptual understanding rather than just rote memorization. Truly grasping topics makes them easier to recall. Practice regularly with mock tests to improve both your speed and accuracy under exam conditions. This helps identify weak areas. Also, make concise notes and flashcards for quick revision of key topics. These tools are invaluable for last-minute reviews and reinforcing what you've learned. Effective revision and time management are crucial for exam success. Allocate dedicated time slots for daily and weekly revision sessions to reinforce your learning. This consistent review prevents information overload. During the actual exam, manage your time effectively to attempt all questions, perhaps spending about 1 minute per question. Prioritize difficult topics, spending more time on areas needing improvement. A balanced approach ensures you cover everything thoroughly. On exam day, ensure you get adequate sleep the night before to stay refreshed and focused. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Arrive at the exam center early, bringing all necessary documents like your hall ticket and identification. This avoids last-minute stress. Remember to stay calm and read all instructions carefully before starting. Also, for staying hydrated during your studies and beyond, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.